A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. On and Muhammad were the sons of Bibi Zainab. They had not accompanied Bibi Zainab when she left Medina with Imam Hussein. Just before Imam Hussein started his journey from Mecca, Hazrat Abdullah bin Jafar brought his two sons to Mecca and handing them over to Imam Hussein said, Ya Imam, since you have decided to go and will not allow me to come with you, please take my two sons with you. On will represent his maternal grandfather, Hazrat Ali alayhi salam, and the other will represent his paternal grandfather, Hazrat Jafar Tayyar. On and Muhammad were quite young. It is reported that On was about 13 and Muhammad was a year or two younger. They had learned the art of fencing from their uncle, Hazrat Abbas. On the night before Ashura, Bibi Zainab said to them, My sons, tomorrow there will be a battle. I cannot ask you to fight because you are young. But if anything happens to Imam Hussein while you are still alive, I will be filled with shame. Both the boys stood up and said, Mother, we have the blood of Ali and Jafar in our veins. Our grandfathers were warriors whose fame will always be remembered. Do you think we can possibly shame you? Moreover, we are the pupils of Uncle Abbas. Mother, unless you forbid us and stop us from fighting, we shall go to the battlefield and show the enemies of Islam how bravely the children of Islam can fight. All we want from you is a promise that you will never weep for us, or our souls will never rest in peace if you grieve for us after we are gone. Tears of joy and pride flowed down Bibi Zainab's eyes as she embraced her two boys. In the morning, during the general attacks from the enemy, On and Muhammad fought side by side with Hazrat Ali Akbar, Hazrat Qasim, and Hazrat Abbas. Every time either of them succeeded in fighting an enemy, he would look proudly at Hazrat Abbas, who would smile and nod his approval. Imam Hussein would not, however, give the two boys permission to go for a single combat. They were very disappointed. They came to their mother for help. Bibi Zainab sent someone to request Imam Hussein to come to her tent. When the Imam came, Bibi Zainab said, Hussein, at the Battle of Siffin, Abbas was only 8 years old. When he saw someone trying to attack you, he rushed into the battlefield and killed the man. Do you remember how proud our father Ali was? Today, I too want to be proud of my sons. I want to see them go out there and defend Islam. Will you not allow me that privilege? Imam Hussein stood there in silence. He looked at his sister. He saw the disappointment on her face. He saw tears forming around her eyes. He put his arms around the two boys and led them to their horses. He kissed them and then helped them mount. Go, said Imam. Go and show the world how those as young as you can fight the injustice and oppression of Yazid. Then he turned around and lifted the curtain of the tent. The boys raised their hands and said, Fi amanillah, mother. Bibi Zainab replied, Bismillah, my sons. Allah be with you. The two boys rode out into the battlefield. They fought bravely. At one point, Umar Saad asked, Who are these two youngsters? They fight like I've seen Ali ibn Abu Talib fight. When he was told who they were, he ordered his soldiers to give up single combats and surround and kill the boys. On and Muhammad were attacked from all sides. Soon they were overpowered and brutally killed. Imam Hussein and Hazrat Abbas carried the two young bodies to a tent and laid them on the floor. Imam walked to Bibi Zainab's tent. He found her in sajda, praying, Ya Allah, I thank you for accepting my sacrifice. My heart is filled with pride because my two sons have given their lives for your religion.